Hey everybody, that isn't me breathing like that. That is Bo. He's in the truck with me. I came through here and I normally wouldn't come through here. I'd be prepared, but I didn't have any cat food. But there is a large colony of cats here. I put out a gallon bag of cat food off of my stash, and I didn't have any today. I didn't realize I was going to be coming this way, and I happened to just ride by, check my stash, and I saw Mama and a bunch of kittens, so I figured she needed nourishment, so I went and bought a bag. And I dumped where she's at right there, and I dumped some over there because there's a bunch of stuff down there, and they're hiding up under there where they can come out and eat and feel safe. But she's got a little kitten running around here somewhere, and they're going right in there as well. And might do a little bit of inquiry and see who owns that, see if they'll let me trap them, and see what I can do to rehome them. And that's on further down the road. But there comes the second one. That's a grown one. But when I first came here, there's probably 10 cats out, and probably of that, probably 4 or 5 of them were kittens. And it's kind of hard to tell too. They were at a distance, but I've got some food. They'll eat good tonight. And I hope that possums or raccoons or anything come up and eat the food. But I'm be coming back through here again in a few days, and I'll drop some more food off for them. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.